Hello, my name is Marie Contreras and I am the proud owner of Marie C. Pet Care. Nothing is more important than my family, and my pets are part of the family in my house. For the last 5 years, I have dedicated myself to the world of pet care because I am a pet lover at heart. I consider myself an environmentalist, an animal rights activist, and a staunch supporter of the scientific research behind proper animal care and welfare. My videos focus on pet care and tips for having healthy and happy pets. I hope you stick around and enjoy what I have created for you today. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the main causes of incontinence in senior dogs and how to manage it. Today's video is sponsored by Good Dogs, a foolproof guide for having happy and healthy dogs. Yes, I wrote this book. I don't have any real sponsors yet, but this is a great book. If you have dogs or you know somebody who has a dog, you can find it on Kindle, in paperback on Amazon, and now it's also available on Audible, so you can listen to it while you're driving around. Anyway, back to today's program. Do you have a dog that is getting worse about having accidents in the house? There are several causes of incontinence in senior dogs. Here I will discuss how to manage it. First, let's go over what is incontinence. Incontinence refers to involuntary urine leakages. It means your dog no longer controls and holds its urine. It just leaks involuntarily. This is not a time for anger. The dog is not peeing on the floor or the couch voluntarily. Your dog has a medical condition that can be treated and managed. Take your frustration and channel it into finding solutions. What causes incontinence in senior dogs? Younger dogs can occasionally experience incontinence, but it is common in senior dogs. The changes to the urinary tract function and other underlying illnesses associated with aging increase the senior dog's chances of developing incontinence. Neurological causes. Dogs suffering from spinal injuries that affect nerves that control the bladder, lesions, brain diseases, or strokes. Bladder storage dysfunction, the frequent contracting of the bladder that results in a small number of urine leaks. Urinary tract infections or bladder tumors can affect unwanted urine leak and a constant desire to urinate. This happened to my border collie, Betty. It was awful and confusing. Gratefully, once I figured out what was causing the constant accidents and got her on a strong course of antibiotics, she improved and no longer has incontinence issues. Urethral disorders, a common cause of urinary incontinence. It is explained that the muscle that closes the urethra fails to contract and results in urine leaks. In cases of male dogs, the prostatic disease. Another cause is anatomic abnormalities. These are caused by a congenital disability, injury, or surgery that damages or alters the bladder's normal function. Some causes of anatomic abnormalities include ectopic ureters, a ureter that is not in its location because of a congenital disability, urethral hypoplasia, or vulvar conformation abnormalities. Another one is urine retention. This occurs when dogs delay or hold their urine because of stress, fear, or other abnormal behavior. The pressure that builds upon the bladder can cause leaks. Sometimes it's mixed. Mixed urinary incontinence is due to several factors that affect urination. Causes like urethral and bladder dysfunction are some of the causes. So now that we've gone over what can cause it, how do we treat and manage incontinence in senior dogs? There are effective medical procedures to help dogs with incontinence. The success rate of medical procedures available is good. Consulting with your veterinarian should be your first step in dealing with this issue. When your vet assesses your dog for the best possible solution regarding this concern, they will perform a full health check and collecting urine samples may be necessary. That way they can identify any underlying problems that aggravate your dog's bladder. There may be more than one contributing factor to the problem. They could have urinary tract infections, kidney disease, diabetes, or other illnesses that encourages a large amount of water consumption that leads to unwanted leak. A dog that has a hormonal imbalance will be treated with another procedure. But in most cases, vets will try to treat any issue with medication or with hormone supplements. There are also surgical procedures. In some extreme cases, the only treatment is surgery. Strengthening the bladder neck muscle, especially for females, is a common surgical procedure that will help address incontinence in senior dogs. Surgery is done by implanting a urethral occluder and injecting collagen around the sphincter muscle or tacking the bladder. Let's discuss other alternatives we can utilize to address dogs' incontinence. Other alternatives we can utilize to address dogs' incontinence. Treatments may not solve your dog's medical problem immediately. Some dogs will respond better than others after undergoing a medical or surgical procedure. Additionally, you can use absorbent bedding or pee pads for your dog. It is hygienic, easy to clean, and will lessen your dog's discomfort because it'll take away urine from your dog's skin. Another option would be using diapers made for dogs if your dog is still moving around the house. Wash your dog's back legs when you change the diapers to remove any excess urine. Baby wipes work well for this. Please continue to take them for regular walks outside without the diaper. Do not withhold water from your dog. This will dehydrate them and cause additional health problems. For male dogs, they make belly bands. These are absorbent pads that wrap around a male dog's belly that absorb urine. They are available in washable and disposable varieties. If your pet is ill or injured, please seek professional veterinary care. The information found on this video is not professional veterinary advice and is not meant to be a substitute for professional veterinary care. If you enjoyed this video, nudge the like button. If you would like to see more like this, consider subscribing. If you would like to read the blog or check out my new book, I'm going to leave links to them in the description. Thank you for watching.